5G is so much more than a new radio technology. 5G will create new perspectives and opportunities for a lot of sectors. Medical care, smart city, logistics, the growth of Internet of Things, and further developments in augmented and virtual reality. It's very diverse and a rich ecosystem, and you cannot grasp it alone. You have to work with partners. Nokia will provide the core network and will fully support the next generation of mobile technology to us, with all the advantages like ultra-fast response times for critical applications and reserved capacity for specific services. Together with Nokia, we're proud to bring the possibilities of 5G to life. Cloud is changing the world and is the answer for the rising complexity in the network because of the vast products and services. We need capabilities to respond fast for these evolutions. To meet these challenges, Telenet has chosen for a cloud-first strategy for applications, and we do the same for network functions, even for very complex ones like the 5G Standalone Core. We will be using Google Cloud, more specifically Anthos in the Telenet data centers. Google Cloud will allow us to run Nokia core equipment and other applications that formerly had to be run on physical hardware now on a cloud-native way. With this approach, we will be able to implement innovations and respond to the needs of the markets much more quickly.
At present, the CSPs are being challenged to bring new revenue streams and see how their participation in the digital transformation that is happening across all the industries has revenue impact for the CSPs. With the network automation and the new way of deploying networks based on cloud-native principles, CSPs are offering more dynamic services and have more agility to adapt to the new needs of the industries. CSPs are using network automation and data analytics to provide more customization to the customers and have new revenue streams. At the same time, CSPs need to reduce the operation cost of their networks. It is no longer possible to keep creating a completely new infrastructure for each new network services that the CSPs want to offer to their customers. And this is where Google Cloud is helping, because Google is bringing a platform that allows CSPs to have a common platform where they deploy multiple network services using cloud-native architectures. And also, we are helping on all the data analytics side to create a more customized offer for CSPs customers. Google Cloud is bringing solutions to partner with CSPs on their network transformation, adopting cloud-native principles. Anthos can help CSPs with a flexible and consistent platform where they deploy network functions to deploy new networks. For example, with Nokia, we're deploying a 5G core for Telenet using Anthos bare metal. Anthos allows a secure and centrally managed platform to deploy and operate the network functions. It brings a single point of management for multi-clusters. Those clusters can be deployed on-prem and can be deployed on public cloud. And you have dashboards where you can, on a single pane of glass, operate the whole platform and all the workloads that are running on that platform. So it brings a unified and secure manner to deploy the new way of network services based on a cloud-native architecture. And it also offers configuration and policy management for all those new applications. For 5G networks, CSPs are assessing the best way to adopt hybrid cloud architectures. 5G networks are made of many network functions, and each of them has their own characteristics. So CSPs are mapping those and looking at where best to deploy them. If some of them need to stay on-prem and others can be better run on public cloud. And this is where Anthos comes in. Anthos allows for this flexibility so that CSPs can adopt cloud-native principles when deploying their 5G networks and still make sure that they are deploying the network functions in the right place, with the best place they run. So some would stay on-prem using Anthos bare metal. Others can run on the public cloud, the Google Cloud with Anthos. And this allows to take benefit out of data analytics and the big data tools that are available in Google Cloud.
What we are implementing in Telenet is indicative of a new trend. According to this, telecom operators, CSPs, are moving part of their network, or in some cases their entire network, into a public cloud environment. For this reason, what we have done at Nokia, we introduced a so-called any cloud strategy. This means we are re-architecting our CNFs and making it sure that they can run on any cloud environment, be it a public cloud environment or a private cloud environment. So they can run on any third-party container infrastructure. Implementing an any cloud strategy for the applications is not an easy ride. We have to make sure that our applications still satisfy the stringent quality requirements, performance requirements, robustness requirements that any telco deployment is having. Now we are going to a public cloud, which means we have to sometimes adopt our applications to a public cloud, but in some cases, the infrastructure has to adapt to the requirements that these applications are having. For example, telecom applications typically need multiple networks to the same pod because of the high number of connections that they are handling. Or the IP network has to respect QoS marking, so we can prioritize packets, voice packets, against data packets, for instance.
We selected Nokia and Google as the winning combination because of a strongly aligned 5G and infrastructure vision and their ability to execute. We strive for a win-win-win that will provide Telenet the innovation infrastructure that will deliver us on all the 5G use cases to make it better for our customer and our end services. Nokia and Google can and will deliver that to us. In a first phase, we'll use this new setup for our residential customers as well, and we'll just demonstrate the robustness at large scale with huge throughputs. I have a couple of pieces of advice for other operators. Firstly, don't try to do everything yourself. The recipes that were successful in the past will not be successful in the future. I believe that in a winning partnership, all partners need to concentrate 100% on their core contribution and fully lean on the strong points of the others. Secondly, get ahead of the curve. Don't wait until everything is proven out and demonstrated. Otherwise, it will be too late. But as with any next generation, it all starts with developing a high-performance network. Choosing the right suppliers and partners is crucial.